So we're here at Animal Kingdom. We're ready for the day. It's a little later today. So... Cheese! Careful! So we've stopped just outside Yak and Yeti in our usual spot. So we've already done quite a lot this morning without videoing it. We started off going to It's Tough to Be a Bug. How did you find that? How was It's Tough to Be a Bug? Did you like that? It was a little bit overwhelming for Chloe, I would say. But yeah, Connie's great because it's another hot day. So we did that, then we went over and did Triceratops spin, which was like a 5-minute wait. Now it's up to about 20 minutes, so we picked the right time to go. And we all went on, didn't we? We went on Triceratops spin, didn't you? It was fun, wasn't it? It was fun. And then Nanny and Grandad went on Dinosaur, gave that a look. Apparently it's even more jerky than it used to be, so we're not sure Harvey's quite ready for it yet. We went to have an ice cream, didn't we? We had an strawberry ice cream, it was lovely. And then we've just been on the Maharaja Jungle Trek, and it was lovely. We saw a lot of animals, didn't we? Did we see a lot of animals? Yeah, we did. We did. So now we're just waiting for our food now. I don't know what we've ordered. I can't remember. Did you order anything? I can't remember ordering anything. We look forward to our food. And we've got a good view here as well. Just overlooking the river. A nice shady spot. So hopefully they'll be pleased with my
We went down to breakfast and everybody wanted toast with marmalade and jam. Sounds like great fun. This is us walking back to our room before we pack up and go to Port Orleans Riverside.
First part of the video for our first day of 10 nights at Port Orleans Riverside. It looks very pretty, very relaxing. Our bags have already been dropped off with the bellman, and when our room's ready we can request for them to be brought up to us, which makes life a lot easier. Grandad and I took the car back, drove it back to just outside Magic Kingdom. You literally go past the parking and then you can drop it off there. But the signage isn't very good. But once we found it, it was an Alamo drop-off point where it was just a car park with Alamo Enterprise rental drop-off. Park it up, give the keys back, and then get a free bus back. So it was a lot easier. Cool, it's hot out. Let's have a look at where we are now. Okay, we've finally arrived at our room, 8057. Two big beds here. They look beautiful. I mean, I've seen it on the videos where people say, oh, have a look at the picture, but that is just beautiful. We've got two nice seats to chill out at. Finally have Walt Disney World on the telly. Oh, I feel like we've arrived. You got a fridge there. Whoops. Yeah. Same size fridge as before. Loads of storage space. You've got a nice coffee machine there. That's a good coffee machine, that is. Obviously. Ice bucket there. Plenty of power. We've got a guide that's been put in there. Oh no, that must be Mummy's put that in. You've got your Bible in there. You've got more wardrobe space here. Oh wow, it looks to be full of stuff. Okay, so we've got the ironing board, the iron, and it looks like another blanket in here as well, which is all sealed up. Probably won't need that right now. Look at this. Wow. This is something else. That is amazing. So you've got safe in the corner. Not sure how much room that's going to give us to do. So in here we have our we've got all our Disney World shower gels. This is just beautiful. It all looks so sparkling new.
And what else?
Got a lovely bath and shower, twin sinks, plenty of space to put all our toiletries and stuff.
Where's Tiana?
And then there you go.
Where's Tiana's room? And where's
It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
It really is, isn't it?
It really is lovely. Yeah.
Wow. I mean, what are you doing? What do you think of it? What do you think of it? Do you think it's good? So we're officially moved in, would you say?
Yeah,
Officially moved in, so we can sort out getting food. I don't know, are we going to Disney Springs now?
We're going to the quick service first.
Quick service,
at Port Orleans.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to Disney Springs because we got a $200 gift card as part of our package deal that we had with the 50th anniversary. So we want to go and pick that up so we're able to use it here while we're at Disney.
There we go. There we go,
Only
the
in
pizza.
here. Only on the resort. No, any resort. You can't
Is
use
that
it in
a
the
tasty,
park.
dude? Including that.
It's $20. Yes. Right.
Reviews so far?
It's beautiful. It's a really nice result.
So we've ordered a large cheese pizza to keep us going because it seems to go down quite well with the locals.
Yummy.
Is it yummy? You excited, dude?
Yeah, on a boat.
We're on the boat now! Yay! This is our first boat trip, isn't it? That's a wrap!